Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo 2, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Not precisely in the same order, but both of those anyway. So let's get started by finding the toggle in our notification panel, which for me is right here in the corner. Once you find it, you want to hold the toggle if you're doing this the first time, which assuming you're watching this video, you probably are. From there, you want to select the personal hotspot settings and start off by changing the password, which as you can see is just some randomly generated trash. So I'm going to completely remove it and set my own. Now the new password does need to have about 8 characters in length, or maybe not about, but above 8 characters in length, so 8 or more, like so. This is a fairly simple one, but honestly for hotspot it doesn't really matter. Then we can also change the REALME, or the name, which by default is the REALME GT Neo 2. The hotspot usually has the name of the device itself, but if you don't want it to have it like that, you can obviously change it to anything else. And then additional settings like the AP band, you can change to 5 GHz if your device supports it. If you're not sure, enable it anyway. And if you can't see the hotspot with 5 GHz enabled, that means that the device you're trying to connect to it simply doesn't support it. And all you need to do is go back and drop it to 2.4. Now the reason why I do recommend you to at least try it is because 5 GHz is just a better option. The network, 5 GHz network, will be faster and more stable compared to the 2.4. But like I said, not every device will support it. And additionally, I can also enable the Wi-Fi 6 option, though it will consume more battery, and very little devices at the moment have Wi-Fi 6 support. So if you are connecting with a device to this hotspot with a device that I don't know, came out in like 2020 or before 2020, chances are those devices do not have any kind of Wi-Fi 6 support, so turning this on would basically be useless. It probably might be a little bit more useful in like a couple of years, but right now there is a handful of devices that have it. So anyway, from here, once you have set it all up, make sure you tap on the checkbox right here to save the settings, and all you need to do now is toggle your hotspot on by tapping on it. And additionally, once you went through the settings and customize them, you don't actually have to go back to the settings ever again, as long as you remember your password. And whenever you turn it on, you can just use that password that you probably remember to sign in. Anyway, once you're done with the hotspot, I do recommend you to try to remember to turn it off, because it didn't look like there's any option for actually turning it off. Yep, there's nothing that will automatically turn it off. So if you don't turn off yourself a hotspot, it will just keep on running in the background and consuming more of your battery life. And to turn it off, all you need to do is just tap on it again. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.